Intro. Welcome to Word Insights, where we explore the meaning and usage of interesting words. Today, we're focusing on the word guy. It's a term that's often used to refer to a person in a casual and friendly way. Let's get started. Meaning. A guy is a colloquial term used to refer to a man or a person, typically in a casual or informal context. It's similar to dude or fellow and can be used to address or describe someone in a friendly manner. Pronunciation. Pronounce guy as a rhyming with sigh. Use in a sentence. 1. Hey, guy, how's it going? 2. That guy over there is really good at playing guitar. Synonyms. Synonyms for guy in this informal context include dude, chap, fellow, bloke, or man. Conclusion. That concludes our insight into the word guy. It's a friendly and casual term for referring to a person, often used in everyday conversations. Thanks for joining us, and keep being that friendly guy in your social interactions.